Hi, thank you for choosing our student management system. Today I'll be showing you how to manage a student account as a parent or guardian. So first off, you need to navigate to the school website. The school management would provide the correct URL to you, but for this tutorial, we'll be using this particular school as test. So we'll navigate to the website like this. Then from there we hit the login button. So any school website you're using, just look around and look for the login button. Should in case you cannot find the login button, you can just append it to your URL like this. You use the / and you tap the login manually. It will take you to the login page. So on this login page, you will log in with your child's school email address. So I have one copied already, and then your password. Alright, so for this particular student, this is what the dashboard looks like. So without going too far, let's start from activities you can do as a parent from our child's dashboard. First and very most important thing, you can change your password. So if you navigate to this corner, you can click the student's name and can click change password. So from here you enter your old password and then your new password. Then you should hit the save button. So you need to be very careful of the password you enter and make sure it's a very secure password. So I'll be trying another very sophisticated password. In case it wasn't successful, just try and read the error message like I did here to know what exactly the problem is. So you see, changing password was successful. So if I want to log in next time, I have to use the new password that I just set. And let me log out. Alright, so I'll log in again as that particular student. Should in case I forget my password, you can just click on forget your password and then you put the student email address and or better still, you can just reach out to the school management and they can reset the password for you from their end. So let me go back to login as the student. Yeah, so we have a dedicated page for tutorials right here, which you can access to learn how to use the school portal. Then we have the attendance page here. This is the page that shows you the number of days your child or ward was present in school. So you can see the calendar view and the number of days the ward was present. Then we have our results dashboard. On this dashboard, this is where you see your wards reports. So you can choose the academic session and the term. So it's going to load out the report sheet for you. So you have the school name, the term, the session, student name, student ID, class. So these are the subjects that has been imputed for this particular student. So for this term, you can click on the score to see the breakdown. So when you click on each score, you can see the breakdown of how the word accumulated that particular score. So for this word, you can see it as exam, first test, and second test, and the total. And the weighting based on the school's defined weighting system. So the number of days school was open, number of days your work was present, number of days was absent, and then like a percentage rate, punctuality, neatness, politeness, honesty, performance, attentiveness, and their weighting. So remarks, class teacher, and principal. And if you wish to print the report, you can just click on this button right here. Moving forward, you can see your student timetable if the school has designed a timetable for that particular class. So you can view your words marks per subject. Can view their syllabus if there is any, and then if there is any assignment also, you can view the assignment here. So if there's any assignment, it will show you. Then this page, this is where you see your school fees and financial history. So there is no fee history yet. And this is where you see the promotion rates. It has not been calculated yet. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for going through our school management system. This will be all for now. Should in case you would like to deploy our solution to your school, you can just reach out to us or leave a comment on this video and we'll get and reach out to you. Thank you very much.